we've just gotten back from Paris and I'm just going to do a room tour. So we're in the Compass Club room and it's got one bed in it. So this is what it looks like when you come in. So you've just opened the front door. And here is the bathroom. So a shower and a bath. And you've got all the stuff in there. You've also got a seat. And then if you go through here, you've got some robes and then you've also got some slippers as well, which is really nice. You get these free of charge and you can use them while you're here. And then obviously you have the loo there and then you've got a shelf at the back right there. And then if you come here, you then have your mirror, so you can do all your makeup and stuff like that with the sink and all of the stuff on there. They give you free towels as well, and you also get these hand soaps and lotions and little cups as well. And then this is the hairdryer, which is really weird. You literally take it off and it goes crazy and really loud. So this is what the sink area looks like. And then under here you've also got the mini bar or mini fridge, so you can put as much stuff as you want in there, and it's really nice and cold. So this is the only one I believe that you get the mini fridge with. It's just under the sink and it's really good. And then you've got some more storage here. And then if you turn over to here, you've also got storage on the top. You've got a safety deposit box. Then you've got your clothes, you've got an ironing board. You have an iron somewhere. I'm not sure where it is. Then you've got another shelf, and then you've got some underneath right here, and then you've also got curtains. So for instance, if you're going in the bathroom when someone is asleep, you have a curtain so they won't see that you're in here. And then if you come over here, you have the whole of the living area. So you've got the bed right here. They've given us some extra gold coins because it's our last day and we didn't get them before. And then this is what the pattern looks like. So it's meant to look like a boathouse. So it's all up here. And this is a huge bed as well. It's not even a double, it's huge. So it's huge. You've got a giant bed. It's bigger than a double as well. We've also got a giant window over here. Then we have another window over here as well. And this is a little table that you can use as a dressing table, and you've got 2 chairs as well. Then some drawers, some more drawers, TV, and then over here got some more plug points, and you've got a coffee machine, and then you've also got a kettle as well. So I'm going to show you the views as well. So we've got the lake room view. So this is the big window that we've got. So this is what it looks like out of this window. So it's just really nice. You can see over the top of the hotel, and this is probably the best room that you can get. It's just really good, and it's huge and there's so much light in. And then you've also got this one, which is the lake view, and this is just really beautiful in the morning, also in the evening. It's really, really nice as well. So that's what our view looks like, and it's absolutely lovely. So if we come back to Disneyland Paris, I think we'll definitely get this one. It's by far the best one. It's huge. You get so many things with it as well, and the Compass Club room is amazing. You also get free breakfast, you get free afternoon snacks, you also get free drinks from 12 till 10 PM. It's just really, really nice, and I think this one is probably the best one out of all of them, and I've loved all of them that I've stayed in anyway. So if we come back to Disneyland Paris, I think we're going to be coming back here.